Welcome to Fresh Library. In the last video, we wrote our first Pytest test. In this video, we will install Pytest and run the test practically. Okay, so before automation testing, we must install Pytest in our system. Before automation testing, we must install Pytest in our system. I will show the complete installation and execution process step by step. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open the document. So see here. Before proceeding into further, first have an overview of what is PyTest. Before installing PyTest, first we need to understand what is PyTest. So what is PyTest? PyTest is a Python testing framework that simplifies the process of writing and executing the test. Okay, so here we are having so many frameworks like robot framework or TAF or any other frameworks we are having. Okay, but why we are preferring PyTest among all other frameworks is because of it offers a consistent syntax, pictures for setup and teardown, powerful adjustments it is having, and also it is easy test discovery. So here no need to bother about all these points here. Okay, just try to understand, but if it is not understood by you as of now, then we can discuss about these points later. Okay, so here, and the next point is its simplicity and flexibility make it popular choice for testing Python applications. So because of the simplicity and flexibility, we are preferring PyTest among all frameworks. Okay, so what are the prerequisites for this PyTest? So first prerequisites for this PyTest is Python. We must install Python and then pip or conda must be there. Okay, this is by default it must be there. So first we need to install the Python. Then how to install the latest version of Python? If you want the video on explanation on how to install the Python, then I had already taken a class on installation of Python. So I will provide the link in the description of this video. Please watch and follow the required steps to install the Python. But in this video, I am going to explain the how to install the Pytest. Okay, so before installing the Pytest, we must verify whether the Python is installed or not in the system. How can we verify? By using Python hyphen version. First, we need to go for the command prompt. Okay, one second. So in this command prompt, first we need to type like a Python hyphen version. Okay, then it will automatically show the whether which version of Python is available in our system. Okay, after that, then how to install the Pytest? For installing Pytest, first we need to give pip install Pytest. That's it. It simply, if you give this command in your command prompt, then it will automatically install the Pytest in our system. Then I see here I had already installed the Pytest in our system, so I am not installing again. Okay. So after seeing this, if you want to confirm whether it is installed or not, then we can also confirm by checking or by giving this command pytest version. So which version is available now in our system? Pytest 9.0.2. Okay, this is the way to check the the installed Pytest version in our system. Okay, so after installing and after verifying the Pytest in our system, then we can also write a small program so to test whether it is working fine or not. Okay, for that I am going to open the VS Code. Here I am going to write a small program which has already written in our previous class as well, but now I am going to provide this one um, to test whether the, sorry, here, not here. Okay, to test whether the PyTest is installed or not. Okay, so here def test underscore first program, then parenthesis colon, then print of welcome to automation testing with PyTest. Okay, welcome to automation testing with PyTest. So now I'm going to run the program here. We can run the program here also. Then it will automatically come here. Before this, we need to save the program. I had already saved that one. Okay, so for you, you need to go like save as, and we need to create one folder, or we can also save in the existing folders as well, but it is better to have the only one .py file to execute in that folder. If you have multiple files in that folder, then it is difficult to understand for the PyTest to which one is to run or which one is to execute. So that's why here I had created one folder. In that folder I had already saved the one file here. Okay, now I'm going to execute this one. I had already executed that in VS by using VS Code. Now I'm going to execute this that by using command prompt. Okay, so for going to command prompt, we can also go command prompt by using this, and after going into this, we can specify the directory here, and after that we can give the PyTest. Then it will automatically show you the output. Okay, but now I'm approaching another way. So after saving the file, then we need to remember at which location you have saved that file, Python file. Then you need to go to that particular file. So here I had saved the test.simple.py. Here simply you can give the cmd, then press enter. It will automatically opens the command prompt according to that folder. So here OneDrive, Sanketik Live Classes, OneDrive, PyTest demo. Okay, it will automatically open that one. Okay, so but here we need to take care about the choosing a right path. Okay, if you choose another path and if you give the another path instead of the original path, then it will not it won't work, it will throw you an error. So take care about the location first of all. Okay, then you can run the program. So here I had saved that one, right? After going to that folder, then if you simply give here PyTest, then automatically it will show the whether it is the test is passed or not. Okay, so here I had given I had written only one test, then that test is also passed. I had also uh, run that in VS Code and also in this one by using command prompt. Okay. So if you give the PyTest here, okay, then automatically discovers the um, um, test which are going to execute. Then without it will execute them without manual calls. Okay. And Python or PyTest will automatically knows this program. So here he had given test underscore, right? So for from here onwards it will start the executing the program or test. Okay. Now if you go to that document, here also that kind of steps are mentioned here clearly in order to understand in a better way. First we checked the Python version uh, by using Python -f version. If it doesn't work for you, then you can also give the Python 3. Instead of only Python, you can also give Python 3. And then how to install the latest version of PyTest, I had also show you uh, like that one. Okay, pip install PyTest, right? See here. Mm, 1 second. We can install by using pip install also. Pip install PyTest. Okay. Next, after installing that PyTest, we need to confirm whether it is installed correctly or not. Then for that one, we need to check by using PyTest -- version, or we can also use pip show PyTest. So here I am going to install that one. I mean, I am going to show that one. Pip show PyTest. So it will give you the details about that PyTest. Okay, so like here, PyTest and version, and then summary, who are the others, and the location of that one, everything, almost all kind of details it will provide. If you want to check only the version, then you can use this for this command. Or if you want more details about this PyTest, then you can also use this command in the command prompt. After that, we have written a small program, and from that program we are run through VS Code and as well as the command prompt. Okay. So, and here one more method is there to install the PyTest, that is by using the conda. So instead of pip, we can use conda install -c conda hyphen forge space PyTest. So if you give like that, then also it will install the PyTest in your system. But I had used pip method only. If you want to use conda method, then also you can use. But I am not recommending you to use this method. This is somewhat complex than pip method. So after installing the uh, PyTest by using the conda, then you need to verify, right, whether the PyTest is installed or not. For that, we need to give like conda list PyTest, conda list PyTest. Then it will automatically show you the details of that PyTest. Okay. This is about installation of PyTest module in a simple way. As we you can install it using pip manager or by using conda, by using conda. So you have successfully installed PyTest and executed your first automation test. In the next video, we will learn about the more about the PyTest, which are essential for real automation testing, which are essential for real automation testing. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this session, please comment below. I will try to uh, sort it out in the next video, or else I will give you the reply for those comments. And if you like our content, please like a button, and want to help others, again please share this kind video link with the your friends and families in your social media. uh, Thanks for watching. See you in next class. See you in next class.